Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it is the last day of June, and we've got our monthly Knife Club box. For June, we've got the big brown box on the table, so we are going to get it open and see what the good folks at Monthly Knife Club sent us this month. I'm using the Tempest Thunderhead to open it up. It's the beauty of a knife. There you go. Quick look. Oh, yeah. Love that copper foil. Alright. So, we will get our box open. Dig it out here. Oh, there we go. Oh, we've got a decent, it's got a decent amount of weight to it. Interesting. Interesting. Is that, yep, that goes in there. Okay. We had some stuff running amok on us. So, every month, we get the monthly Knife Club box. I know, bad TV. Sorry. There it is. Monthly Knife Club. And we have our list. Now, this is it's interesting because I'm looking in the box. And, well, let's do that real quick. There's the sticker. Just kind of looking around just to make sure we've got I'm looking at this because alright, we'll just go through it and we'll see where we're at. They like to trick me up sometimes. This is a pretty cool sticker. This is the Samurai Silhouette from Monthly Knife Club. Says it has a $5 value, but as always, they give them to us for free. This is the Ultimate Plan name brand knife. This is drop number 121. I have not been saying that. Maybe I should. So the first thing that it says is in the box, I'm not finding. So I really have to take a look at this because I have 4 items in the box. I see 4 items. And here I have listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it doesn't tell me, okay, we're going to have to do some figuring out. So the first item on my list is a Gerber Shard in Digicamo. There is not a Gerber Shard in this box. Do you see a Gerber Shard? No. Nope, no Gerber Shard. So we're going to go to the next one, and you get the Bad Beer and Destruction device. Okay. The Beer Tool Prybar, value $11.95. Holy cow, this is wicked. Says it's from Kuma. Yep, Kuma. That's what it says on the box. Kuma Survival School. Looks like we have a bottle opener and a flat tip pry. I mean, you could use that as a get back, don't mess with me type situation. Little pokies. Yeah. That is really interesting. The Kuma Bad Beer and Destruction device. $11.95. $12 is the value on that. So, very interesting topic to start with. And, oh, you know, I've had these, well, something similar, not exactly these, in other boxes that I've received in the past. And they've come in very handy. As a matter of fact, I keep these, a set of these, in my backpack. But these are, they say Rothko Compact Binoculars. That says Binolux. 10 by 25, 288 feet to 1,000 yards with a field of 5.9, is that inches? Let's see here. Yep, I can really see the shutters up close. Those are pretty cool. Dude, a little set of binoculars like this is super, super handy. Like I said, I keep them in my backpack, and, you know, like when we go on trips and so forth, I actually have a set downstairs as well. And if I want to look out into the bushes, into the trees, not the neighbor's house. No, I don't do that. Look out into the trees behind the house. Very cool. I like those. So, they say Bino Lux, but on the card here, we have Rothco compact binoculars, $34.99. Now, the next item in this, the advanced plan, the lower level plan, which does cost $65 plus shipping and handling, by the way, is a Traditiaonal knife. There is no Traditiaonal knife in this box. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to tell you. There's asterisks by this, but okay. So that is two things that it says are in here that are not in here. So I guess I'll be contacting or go looking it up on Now I'll be perfectly honest with you. I've had a couple of questions in the past, and turns out no issue. So, because I just had to read a little bit. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to read this and see if I'm just missing something. But okay. So now we're going to go to the premium plan. The premium plan includes this knife, which we've seen a couple of these in the past. This is the Kubi Yokai. Now, of course, this is a Damn Design collaboration. There you go. I know Damn Design knives have been pretty popular. 14C 28N on the blade. Wicked Tanto. Got that nice ramp landing spot for your thumb. Button lock. We got some button stick there. I bet it has to do with the coated blade. We'll see if that works out here at some point. Now, a lot of times with button locks and we get coated blades, we do get some button stick. But you've got that tan handle, 14C. I really like the way these fit in my hand. Adrian's designs have been very... I've liked most of his design. Now, you guys know the Tanto is probably not my favorite of the bunch, for sure. But I still like his kind of where he goes with his, and especially the names of his knives. So that's what's in the premium plan. The premium plan costs you $115 plus shipping and handling. Total value of $194.92 is what they're saying. And I forgot to tell you, the advanced plan, if everything was there, like I said, did cost $65 plus shipping and handling. Total value with everything included, $104.92. So we're just going to keep moving right along. And we are moving now to the ultimate plan. That is the highest level plan. Currently costs $189 plus shipping and handling. Now, like I say, I guess I am grandfathered because the price went up for the upper level in the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the year. And I am still paying the original price. So that's pretty cool that I was grandfathered in. But in this one, we have a Remet. Now I want to show you something real quick so you guys can get this. See, there's the premium plan, right? And it's got double asterisks by it. It says includes everything in the advanced plan. Okay? But nowhere, you know, I'm looking for those asterisks, like maybe there's a note somewhere. There's no note. There's no note. So, now the ultimate plan says includes everything in the premium plan, except, okay, here we go, the antler and the shard. There we go. Just got to read. Ultimate plan, see, there you go. So if you get the ultimate plan, so this must be one boondoggle of a knife if we're missing a couple of other things. Just got to keep reading. Ooh. So this is the Remet Reora. It could be the Aura Y or the Aura D. M390 stainless steel, titanium, and carbon fiber handle. The value on this knife per the card is $242. Now that's where, there you go, M390. Oh, I like the milling on the thumb studs. Oh, I like the look of that. It's sort of a geared look to it. That's pretty cool. We have a crossbar lock. Now this one is, I'm not exactly sure which one this is, if this is D or Y. I'm guessing it's Y for yellow. There you go. Okay. D, what would D be? I don't know. Maybe it's the Aurora Y. Does it say on the box? This, oh, there we go. See, we just got to read. Keep reading. Yep, the Aurora Y. Wow, I figured that one out all by myself. Very cool. M390, titanium, carbon fiber inlay. Pretty darn smooth. Jumps out there on... Jumps out there with those thumb studs. Very smooth. Crossbar lock is super smooth. Now, let's see. I see a cleaning cloth. Okay, I don't see any extra springs or anything like that. Just looking. What do you guys think of this one? That's nice. Man, we have seen... I tell you what, I recently did that video about new knife companies. And Remet's not super new. They've been around for a couple of years-ish, And... they are ones that have just I tell you what, they have screamed into competition with a lot of companies, man. I am very, very impressed. This feels really good in hand. I can feel the pocket clip a little bit. Let's see. What are we thinking? I'm thinking that could be a reversible clip. What do you guys think? Let's see here. I'm going to take it out. That's very possible. We could have a left and right-handed clip. I'm going to have to look it up just to make sure. You do have a lanyard post there in that small back spacer. Overall, not a bad-looking knife. We'll do a full review on it, of course. That will... out of this box, I mean, I have reviewed the Yokai, a lot of the Damn Design knives. Moons ago. It's been a while, but I have not reviewed the ROY. So we'll definitely do a full review on that one. As with a lot of these knives, guys, they will come up for sale. Most likely at some point. That's how I just kind of keep buy a box, review some knives that are in it, potentially give some stuff away. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I don't know how I'll do this one. But this one probably will end up coming up for sale. Like I said, that's how I fund further boxes. But, alright, we got it figured out. Just got to keep reading. And that's what reading is fundamental, right? Riff? You guys remember that? Reading is fundamental? It is. It is. When you read, it'll tell you a lot. So what do we got? So, in our advanced plan, we got the bad beer and destruction device. And we got the Rothco / Dino-Lux. Bino-Lux. Dino-Lux? They're not dinosaur, they're binoculars. Bino-Lux. Binoculars. That was our advanced plan. In the and the sticker. Don't forget the sticker. In the premium plan, you get the Yokai. And everything else. And in the ultimate plan, we ended up with the Remet Reora Aura Y. That's what we got. So, what do you think, guys? So they say, like I said, if you're a new subscriber, it's going to cost you $189 plus shipping and handling. They say we've got a total value of $378.94. That's probably one of the highest valued boxes that we've had. I haven't had one that hit 400. This is probably right up there. If it's not, it's got to be close. So, we figured it out. We got everything straight. We got what we ordered. I'm going to have a blast. I'm going to have a blast with this. I don't know about these guys. These might end up going in my truck. I don't have a set in my truck for some reason. These just might have to go in my truck. Because when I'm going to work, coming home from work, especially this time of year, man, there are deer, coyotes, everything all over the place. That base is an animal preserve. As a matter of fact, we saw 2 really nice bucks tonight as we were leaving work. So, all right. Sorry, guys. Rambling on. Thank you so very much. Let me know down in the comments what you think of June's monthly Knife Club box. As always, thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.